What if the next revolution in robotics wasn't just about smarter software, but machines that can actually fly, save lives, and work tirelessly beside us? This week, breakthroughs are crashing through every barrier. In Italy, engineers fire up a jet-powered humanoid that hovers in midair, blurring the line between science fiction and reality. In Houston, surgeons make history by performing a heart transplant. No chest cracking, no scalpel, using nothing but robotic arms and pure precision. And in Sweden, a new breed of industrial humanoid promises to end the global labor crunch, working round the clock to keep our factories moving. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era, one where robots aren't just tools, but partners, pioneers, and lifesavers. Stick around, because what you're about to see is the future, unfolding faster than anyone imagined. Imagine a humanoid robot, not just walking, talking, or handling objects, but literally taking flight. That's exactly what engineers at the Italian Institute of Technology have accomplished with the world's first jet-powered flying humanoid, AINN Cub 3. Picture this: four roaring jet engines mounted on a titanium-framed robot, lifting it 50 centimeters off the ground and keeping it perfectly balanced in midair. The robot's design is more than science fiction come to life. It's a testament to just how fast robotics and AI are converging. Unlike drones, which rely on propellers, AINN Cub 3's unique jet engines require a whole new level of engineering. The robot's titanium spine and heat-resistant body panels are built to withstand searing exhaust temperatures that can reach 800 degrees Celsius. But the real magic is in its mind: an AI-powered control system that can make split-second adjustments to thrust and posture, preventing wild spins or catastrophic crashes. Every movement is calculated in real time, with machine learning models continuously analyzing flight dynamics and correcting balance on the fly. The debut flight wasn't just a proof of concept, it was the culmination of 2 years of intensive research and thousands of hours of simulation. The development team meticulously tested AINN Cub 3 in virtual environments, refining its algorithms before ever letting it near a live engine. When the big moment finally came, AINN Cub 3 lifted smoothly off the ground, hovering steadily. A milestone for robotics, and a vision of hybrid machines that can traverse both land and air. For future disaster response missions, search and rescue in treacherous terrain, or even extraterrestrial exploration, jet-powered humanoids like AINN Cub 3 could become invaluable. This is more than spectacle. It's the dawn of true hybrid robotics. But while machines are conquering the air, they're also breaking ground in another field once considered the exclusive domain of human hands: the operating room. Let's turn now from jet-fueled innovation in Italy to a medical first in Houston, where robotic technology is redefining the limits of surgery itself. In Houston, a team of surgeons at Baylor St. Luke's Medical Center just pulled off a historic feat that could change the way we think about life-saving operations: the first fully robotic heart transplant in the United States. Instead of the familiar image of doctors making a long incision down the chest and sawing through bone, this surgery was performed through a series of small, precise openings, no chest cracking required. The robot, guided by surgeons with foot pedals and joysticks, allowed the team to delicately remove the patient's failing heart and implant a new one, all while leaving the chest wall untouched. The advantages go far beyond cosmetic. By preserving the sternum, the surgeons slashed the risks of infection and bleeding, accelerated recovery time, and reduced the need for blood transfusions, critical for heart transplant recipients who already face the challenge of immunosuppression. The recipient, a 45-year-old man hospitalized for months with advanced heart failure, was discharged home just weeks after surgery, free of complications and able to return to his daily life sooner than anyone expected. This approach builds on a technique first used in Saudi Arabia, but it's the first time U.S. surgeons have executed a fully robotic heart transplant on an adult patient. What's remarkable isn't just the precision, but the paradigm shift. Robotics aren't just enhancing medicine, they're rewriting its rules. In the hands of a skilled team, these machines can perform intricate tasks that once required brute force and invasive procedures. The success at Baylor St. Luke's hints at a future where organ transplants, and perhaps many other surgeries, are faster, safer, and far less traumatic for patients everywhere. As robotics continue to break barriers in healthcare, another revolution is quietly gaining ground on factory floors around the world. Let's shift our focus to Sweden, where the tech giant Hexagon has introduced a humanoid robot that's not designed to save lives, but to keep the engines of industry running when human labor is in short supply. While medical robotics are transforming the operating room, another wave of automation is quietly reshaping the global workforce. In Sweden, technology leader Hexagon has introduced AEON, a full-sized humanoid built for one purpose: to tackle the relentless labor shortages plaguing manufacturing and logistics. AEON stands 175 centimeters tall and weighs 80 kilograms, a physical match for most of the jobs that humans do in factories and warehouses. But unlike the flashy, hyper-realistic humanoids of science fiction, AEON's design is strictly utilitarian. It's engineered for long hours, complex workflows, and seamless integration into existing industrial environments. What sets AEON apart isn't just its size or strength, but its intelligence. The robot's mission control brain is powered by NVIDIA's Jetson platform and the Omniverse simulation suite, enabling AEON to learn new tasks and adapt to changing conditions on the fly. It uses advanced 3D mapping, multimodal sensors, and real-time AI to navigate crowded spaces, inspect parts, operate machinery, and handle intricate technical jobs. Unlike many competitors, AEON is already being piloted by major companies like Schaeffler and Pilatus, who are putting its versatility to the test on the factory floor. One of AEON's most innovative features is its battery swapping system, a game changer for industrial automation. Rather than taking breaks to recharge, AEON can quickly swap batteries and get right back to work, maximizing productivity and eliminating costly downtime. Every detail, from its rugged frame to its digital twin integration for remote monitoring, has been designed with efficiency and reliability in mind. In an era where an estimated 50 million jobs remain unfilled worldwide across manufacturing and logistics, AEON's impact could be massive. By prioritizing real-world problem-solving over flashy human mimicry, Hexagon has built a robot that's ready to roll up its sleeves and help power the factories and supply chains that keep the global economy moving. From jet-fueled flight to robotic heart surgery, and now to relentless industrial automation, these breakthroughs signal just how rapidly AI-driven robotics are becoming essential across every sector. The age of intelligent machines is no longer a promise. It's here, reshaping how we work, heal, and explore the world around us. Across every corner of the globe, we're witnessing robotics step out of the lab and into the real world. Lifting off with jet engines in Italy, saving lives with surgical precision in Houston, and powering through the labor crunch in Sweden's factories. Each breakthrough isn't just about what robots can do, but how quickly they're becoming indispensable to our lives, our health, and our industries. Whether soaring above disaster zones, restoring hope in the operating room, or filling critical gaps on the assembly line, the future belongs to those who can harness this new era of intelligent machines. One thing is clear, the robotic revolution isn't on the horizon. It's already begun. Thanks for joining us on AINN. Stay curious, stay informed, and as always, see you in the future.